Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Deparman from gossipfunda. In this video, we discuss about Git Pull Command. Let's see how can we use our Git Pull Command with our advantage. So first, in previous video, we see all these files we push into our GitHub command. So bring it back to our new folder. Suppose create a folder name pull. Okay, now open this file, open git bash. So git pull space and go to your GitHub repository. I save this repository. Go to your repository where you push all this file and go to code. Copy this command or copy this link, that HTTPS link, and paste here. Okay, and enter. So for that, first we use git init for initialize our folder, and again git pull. It depend on how much size you have in your repository. Now all these files are we download in this folder, pull folder. Now let's git git status, that nothing to commit. That this is the advantage of pull, that we cannot commit or add after pull to our command. We already done in this local git repository, and we can all bring all this folder from here to here. Now here we can see in new folder, that pull folder, we cannot commit our files, it already done. So let's do some changes. Unless we have this all folders, now do changes in this file, text file. Okay, so copy, control plus insert for copy in GitHub, sorry, not GitHub, git bash. Again nano, we discuss about nano for change our text or edit our file. So I love coding and write and programming. Okay, now let's save, control X, Y, and enter. Save this file. Now git status, here it's so that we modify only one file, not all file, only one file, that is new text documents.txt. Now git add and commit to our file, git add dot, and then git commit -m, and then change file to pull. Okay, enter. We commit our file. Okay, now let's check git status, and nothing to commit. So one most common advantage of this, we can, if we delete this file, or we can switch our desktop to another, but we have our GitHub repository, we want to use our that folder which we push, do some changes it, we can use pull command for download all this file and do some changes, and again push back to in our Git repository. Now we can pull all this file from new folder to our pull folder. Suppose I lost our local repository, but now I can use our pull folder as a local repository without permission from our previous repository, we can do any changes, do anything with our new pull folder. Okay, now let push. For push we must use that remote, but because we the new directory we use make that pull, it is not connect to our GitHub repository. For that we have to connect pull folder to our GitHub. For that, git remote add space, and then it's add, and then go to the repository, and then again copy this and paste here, enter. Sorry, forgot to use origin, and then enter. It connected. Now use git push -u origin, and we already know our folder or repo name, that is master, mstr, enter. Now go to GitHub repository, refresh this page or refresh your GitHub repository. Here we can see that file, change file to pull. We use this comment when we commit our file. So let's see what changes. Here we add that coding and programming. This is the use of our git pull command. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put your queries in our comment box, and check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.